Hello, welcome back to Spy Money. License key and your machine ID. If you buy any of our indicators or SpyBot, we have to have the machine ID. And what you do is you go up and you come down to About. And I'm not going to click on that because it'll show mine. But if you click on About, it will open up a window and you can copy and paste your machine ID there. To put your license key in, you would click here, and then it would have a blank area, and then you just go ahead and paste your license key in. So that way, whenever you're doing things, your NinjaTrader will know how to charge your commissions and this and that. And as far as what kind of license you have, whether it be a lifetime or lease or whichever. So, but that is where you put those in. It's under help, and by doing that, then you'll have everything the way it should be. But that's where you put your license key in. As soon as you buy it or lease it, you'll need to do that immediately. The demo version, it limits you for what you can do, and until you get your license key in there, then you won't have full use of this. Just like the indicators when we were going over the order flow. Unless you have a lifetime, you don't get the order flow. So I hope it helps get your license in and so forth.